Argaze.
Hello, Arman.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
Me too. I need your help. Could we meet now?
No problem. Could we meet?
You can come to my work.
Where is it?
Please come to the building of the Friendship House.
Friendship House. Oh, okay.
Where is he? Maybe he's here.
What kind of room is this? Oh, how beautiful it is. What kind of clothes are these? It's the same clothes. Where am I? I feel like I've fallen into another era. Wow, what just happened? Amazing. What's this? Is it a game? Very interesting. Is this a drum? A wonderful instrument. Is this a magical room? Oh, it's a book. Delicious key food in key drama. Wow, key foods. K-pop.
I'm hot, my book and moon is spotlight.
Amazing. It's really funny. What's this? Where did I just go? What kind of room is this?
Where are you going, Argaze? I was looking for you.
I found a wonderful room. What kind of room was this?
This is the Korean Center Room. All these wonderful things belong to the Korean culture.
Korean culture. This is so great.